We always wish for a better year, a better path, a better life with our New Year's resolution. But have you ever wondered why these resolutions barely stick past day 3? The end of 2025 is approaching. We feel hopeful and confident that 2026 will be our year. Yet every year seems to fit the same cycle. We set goals, we try to fulfill them, and then out of nowhere, we fail. There's nothing wrong with not achieving our goals, but it's still frustrating when reality hits and when our expectations are shattered. In this video, I want to share a few reflections and mindsets that kept me going whenever I try to train new habits. So the first thing we should do is always lead our changes with identity shifts. You see, change isn't a season. It's supposed to be a lifestyle. Thinking, I want to become this person? You subconsciously put yourself in a trap because you don't think that as a part of your identity yet. But if you think, I'm the type of person who, then your actions would start reflecting that identity. For example, if you think yourself as a healthy person, then you naturally find ways to stay healthy. Drinking more water, stay hydrated, choosing healthier foods, or moving your body more. The more you train that mindset, the faster it becomes your default, and your brain starts finding ways to maintain it. If you're not sure where to start, ask yourself, why am I not satisfied with the current version of me? The second question is, if no one else existed, what would I genuinely change for myself? And the last one is, if I visualize my life in 2026, what would it look like? How would I feel? Once you've set your New Year's resolution, you start making plans and see how you're supposed to reach your goals. So the second mindset that you should have is to tweak your current routine instead of creating a whole new system. We all wish we could turn into that unrecognizable version of ourselves in a snap of a finger, but change takes time. Just like every skill you learn in your life, it takes practice, repetition, and patience in order to be good at it and turn it into a habit. Many creators, including me, talk about creating systems from scratch. However, starting a brand new system all at once can trigger resistance and procrastination. So instead, aim to tweak your existing routines. Small adjustments aligned with your new identity lead to bigger change over time. Try reflecting on these questions before tweaking your routine. So the first question is, what does the unrecognizable version of me do differently in a normal week? I've designed a free worksheet in the description box to help you visualize your weekly routine as your 2026 new identity. The link is down below. Go check it out. After you use my worksheets to help you visualize your weekly routine as your 2026 new identity, you can ask yourself, what identity creates a week like that? And our last question is, what small tweaks can I make on my existing routine to move toward that version? To move towards the right direction. Now, after you got everything set, your New Year's resolution, your goals, your plans, the last thing we're going to talk about is the mindset you should have before you enter 2026, which is get ready to feel uncomfortable. New routines can feel exciting at first. However, dopamine rush won't last. Discomfort is inevitable. As a matter of fact, our brains are wired to seek comfort and resist change. Even if we've mentally prepared for it, we still feel the pull of resistance when change hits. It's like jumping into a cold pool. You know the sensation is coming, yet you still hesitate. That hesitation is normal. So it's reasonable reaching our goals takes multiple tries, whether they're about identity, lifestyle, or purposes. Each attempt teaches us something, and each discomfort is part of the process. Anyway, before rushing into 2026, look back into 2025 and ask yourself, what progress did I make this year? Did it turn out the way I expected at the end of 2024? What adjustments did I make along the way in order to make my 2024 resolution goals work? And our last question is, how can I bring these small adjustments into 2026? Starting a new year is anxious, exciting, and refreshing. While we're ready and prepared to let 2025 go, don't forget to look back and celebrate how far you've come. Every win matters, and every growth has taught you something new. Remember, growth only stops when we cease to try. If you're interested in a free worksheet I've created for your new 2026 self, don't forget to check it out in the description box. Anyway, Merry Christmas everyone, and Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!